how we can communicate between router 1 and router 3 using two routing protocol, that is RIP and EIGRP. Let's take one router, 3 router. I want 3 router now. There is router 1, router 2, and this is router 3. This one I don't want. Okay, delete it and take here, here, here. Okay, so let's do the connectivity, that is cross cable from 0 to 0, then again here's 1 to 1. Okay, now connectivity is done. Now the ports are down. You can see here, that fast Ethernet 0/0, that is down, and that is both are down. So let's assign the IP. So router 1 CLI, that is no, and enable config terminal, that host name, that is we can say router 1. Okay, then next to interface F0/0. 1 second, I'll write the network. I'm going to configure this network 0.0.0 for this part. Okay, and for this part I'm configuring this network 23.0.0.0. okay, and for this router I'll assign loop address, that is 10.1.1, and for this router I'll assign that is 10.3.3.3. okay, so for this part I'll configure that EIGRP, and for this part I'll assign RIP protocol, that is RIP. Okay, so let's assign the IP first. Interface F0/0, for that IP address for F0/0, that is 12.0.0.1, that is router 1. Means we can take router 1, that is 255. So sorry, 255, that is 0. Enter, then no shutdown. Okay, then exit. Okay, let's assign here also router 2, for this no, that is enable, then config terminal, then host name, that is router 2, enter, then interface F0/0, enter, for that IP address 12.0.0. that is router 2. okay, 255.255.255.0, enter, no shutdown. Now here both ports are up. You can see here, I'll show you. Router 1, you can check here, fast Ethernet, that is up. Okay, fast Ethernet 0/0, that is up, and this router fast Ethernet 0/0, that is up. So fast Ethernet 0/1, that is down. We have to up that also. So I'm going to again router 2, then here I will type interface, that F0/1, enter, for that IP address 23.0.0.router 2. okay, that is 255, that is 255, that is 255, that is 0. Enter, no shutdown, then exit. Okay, for this part I am assigning this network, for this part I am assigning this 12 dot, that is network. Okay, so I'm going to assign router 3 now, that is enable config terminal. So config terminal, that is host name router 3, enter, then interface, that is F0/1, enter. For that IP address, that is 23.0.0.router 3, 255.255.255.0, enter, then no shutdown. Now all ports are up. Here you can see that is Ethernet, first Ethernet 0/1, that's up. Okay, then you can see here this port also up. Let's check here. For that, do show IP interface brief. You can check here also that fast Ethernet is up now. Okay, for that IP address we assign, that is 12.0.0.1. okay, it's showing up. So you can see here also, that is do show IP interface brief, enter. See here, both are up now here. Okay, for 0.0 means for this interface I have assigned, that is 12.0.02, and for this, okay, one second, for this interface F0/1 I have assigned 23.0.0.2. okay, now let's check we can ping or not. Let's, one second, I'll show here also, that is exit, do show IP interface, that is brief. Okay, you can see here that F0/1, this interface I assigned 23.0.0.3. okay, let's check here I can ping or not. Ping, that is first router 12.0.0.1. so here I cannot ping because it is in different network. Okay, so from router 2 to router 3 I can ping. I'll show you that. That is, we are in 2.3 network, that IP address, that is 2. Here I can ping. See, I can ping here, but I can't ping that router 1 because we are in different network. Okay, so I can ping from here router 1 to router 2 because it is directly connected. So do ping, that is 12.0.0. that is 2. okay, let's check here. See, here also I can ping. So from router 2 also I can ping both side. Do ping, that is one is 12.0.0. that is 1, I can ping here, and one more is 2.3 network, that is router 3, I can ping. Okay, that is the concept. And I'll assign this loop back now. Okay, router 1, that is interface loopback 1, enter, that IP address, that is 10.1.1.1, 255.255, oh shit, .255.255, oh shit, 255, then exit. Now show interface brick, one loop back added here. Okay, let's add here also that interface loop back, that is 3, then here that IP address, that is 3. Hello. What?
Innovation.
Innovation. ಈ ನಾಮಿನೇಷನ್. ಓಕೆ ಹಾ.
ಅದು ನಂಗೆ ಒಂದು ಎರರ್ ಬಂತು. ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದು ಫೋಟೋ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ರೆಡ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು.
ಓಕೆ ಹೌದು. ಸೊ
ಅದಿಲ್ಲ ಫೋಟೋ.
ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆ ಫೋಟೋನ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು.
ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ?
ಯಸ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ದ್ಯಾಟ್.
ಹೌದಾ?
ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನಿಂಗೆ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಪಾಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಇರು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಚೆಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಬಿಡು, ಚೆಕ್ ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ.
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅದೇ ಬಂತು, ಹೆಸರಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ.
ಹೌದಾ? ನನಗೂ ಅದೇ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರನೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. ಪಾಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಇದು ಏನದು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 3 ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪಾಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮದು ಹೆಸರೇ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಬರೀ ಅದಷ್ಟೇ ಬರೋದು. ಹೌದು, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಚೆಕ್ಕೇ ಬೆಟರು. ಚೆಕ್ಕಲ್ಲೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಟೈಮು, ಬಟ್ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಟೈಮ್ ಎರರ್ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ನಾನು ತೆಗ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಚೆಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ. ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಒಂದೊಂದು ಟೈಮು ಅದು ಎರರ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲೋ ಇತ್ತು ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಚೇಂಜು. ರಿಮೂವ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿಕ್ತು. ಇದ್ರ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಇದು ಮಾಡು, ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈ ನಾಮಿನಿ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಸರಿ ಓಕೆ, ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ bye. Sorry for disturbance. Actually, I got one call. So where I am now? Okay, I have assigned that loopback address. Now let's check. From here I can ping that loopback or not. 10.1.1.1. That is okay. I cannot ping this loopback. Okay, can't ping from this. Now we have to configure EIGRP. For router 1, I'm going to configure EIGRP now. That is router EIGRP. That is, I'll take 10. No auto summary. Then for that network 12.0.0.0, we can use subnet mask 0, that is 0, enter. Then network, that is loopback 10.1.1, that is 255.255.255, enter, then exit. Let's configure here also router 2, router EIGRP, that is 10, enter. No auto summary. Then network, that is 12.0.0.0, enter. Okay, one more is 3, enter, then one more, no, that's it, 2 networks. Okay, then one more, 1 second, I'll configure here router 3. I'll configure RIP protocol, that is router RIP, enter, then network, that is 23.0.0.0, enter, then network 10.3.3.3. Exit, RIP protocol configure here, then here RIP protocol, that router RIP, enter, then network, that is 12.0.0.0, enter, then again that is 23.0, then exit. So now interface, do show IP route. Okay, it is connected via fast Ethernet 0/0, or next to it's directly connected. C means directly connected, and C means next, D means that is EIGRP, and router means it is a R means, sorry, not router, that R means that is RIP protocol. Okay, so why EIGRP indicates D? That is the question. Actually, it's use dual algorithm. Okay, so that it indicate D. So here our network is available 12 dot and 23 dot. Okay, let's ping from here. Do ping 10.3.0.3. I can ping or not? No, because now I have to use one more command. It's routing it done, but it is a different routing protocol, so we cannot communicate with router 1 to router 3. So now we have to configure on router 2, that is one thing is router EIGRP, that is 10, because I have used their 10 number, enter, then redistribute, that is RIP metric, that is metric value, that is 1.1.1.1. I am taking a random number now. Okay, enter, then exit. Let's check here from router 1 to router 3 I can ping or not. See, now I am able to ping from router 1 to router 2. Okay, router 3, but I cannot ping from router 3 to router 1. Okay, only it's distributed EIGRP to RIP. Okay, that is request sending, we can say request sending. So it is reply, we cannot do that. Okay, so here you can check, that is do ping, that is 1.1.1. here, see, you cannot ping from here. So okay, for that we have to enter one more command, that is router 2. So here that is router RIP enter, then redistribute EIGRP, that is 10, then matrix that is, we can check here, matrix which we can select from 0 to 16 we can select. So always will select lower value, don't select 0 to 1. Okay, let's select from 2. Okay, now I'll select here 2, I'll take and enter, then exit. Now try to ping from router 3 to router 1. Okay, we can ping or not. See, we can communicate with router 1 and router 3. So both end. This is the communication between router 1 and router 2 using two protocol, routing protocol. Okay, this is the funda. Okay, thank you for watching my videos. Okay, if you like this video, do like, subscribe and share. Thank you guys.